Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this widget tutorial, let's explore the Featured Box widget for creating attractive product info boxes for your online store. Picture this. You're building your WordPress site, and you need something to stand out, something that says, "This is important." That's where the Featured Box comes in. A featured box captures attention with a bold, clean layout that highlights key content. Whether it's a special offer, an important announcement, or a product feature, you can make any content pop with a beautiful featured box. Are you excited to use it? Okay, let's start. Using the Featured Box widget is easy. Just have to drag and drop it inside your page editor in Elementor. The default widget appearance displays a background, and on top of that, there's a subtitle, title, excerpt, and button. Now, if you want to start customizing the layout, you can look into the Layout section under Content tab. Here, you will be able to change the content one by one. That includes the title, meta text or subtitle, button text, link, and image. These options are also within the Content subsection, so you can go ahead and customize. If you want to change the excerpt text, you may switch to the optional subsection. And here, you will be able to edit the excerpt, as well as insert a link for the title. For the featured box, you can choose any image you want as its background. Usually, an image with a visible product picture is most suitable. The options also let you adjust the image resolution, as well as other settings like image position, repeat, and display size. Now, if you want to customize the overall size and aspects of the featured box, you can explore the additional options section. In this part, you can change the box height, as well as content width for the widget display. In case you want to change the content position or alignment, you can do that too. Also, the options contain a bunch of switcher buttons. With these, you can choose to show or hide certain elements like the title, text, meta, and button. Also, you can activate wrapper link for the box. These are all basic layout settings so far. Now, if you want to start customizing the appearance of the featured box, you have the Style tab waiting for you. The Style tab holds all the appearance style options to let you personalize your content to suit your branding. Here, under the Featured Box section, you can customize the colors, borders, and paddings of the whole featured box. So, if you want to have a different color for the box background, you can choose that from the background option. This option also allows image as the background, so you can set featured box background image here as well. Then if you want to add border, all you have to do is click on the border option and choose the border type you need. Then again, you might want to adjust the padding values to find a better spacing for your content. That's also doable here. Additionally, you can add a custom box shadow to your featured box. The option comes with custom color, offset, blur, spread, and position controls. If all this sounds promising, know that you can switch to hover subsection here and add a hover effect by customizing the background color, border color, and box shadow. Adding so will make your content more interactive and 10 times better attention grabber. Then again, you have the option to change the color and hover color for the title. You can test in live preview anytime to determine the result. The title section also lets you adjust margin settings. And there's a typography option included, in case you want to style the fonts. Typography is a combination of font customizations such as font family, size, weight, line height, line spacing, decoration, etc. So take your time to make the font awesome. The same can be said for the text as well. So if you like to customize it, feel free to explore the options. Again, if you want to edit the meta text appearance, you can do that under the meta section. The options are similar to what is in the title section, so you can be as much creative as you want. And by creative, we mean if you flip colors for normal and hover, that's also a new style. And you can touch up the typography as well. Next, If you want to customize the button for the featured box, you can do that under the button section. Changing the button text color is one thing. You can also choose a dedicated color for the button background as well, making it a perfect match for your style. Also, you can choose to edit the border radius to decrease the curves and make the corners straight. The same can be done with the padding in case you want to add more background space around the button. Also, the typography will help you customize the button text, so feel free to match the text size with the button size. Not to mention, but you can add hover effects to your button as well, making it more powerful instantly. And that's how you can make an awesome featured box for your online store. Did you like it? Feel free to explore the demo designs we made for you. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Ultimate Store Kit. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.